Hello everyone, my name is Gil, and I'm here to speak about Missbeez. We are living in an on-demand world, surrounded by magic buttons that help us get things done quickly and efficiently. All we need to do is state what do we need, when do we need it, and where, and the rest is taken care of by technology. It's working perfectly as long as we don't care about the who. Think about it for a second. When you use a delivery app, you don't really care who delivers the pizza that you ordered if it comes on time. The same goes with the transportation apps. You don't really care about the driver. You just want to know that he will take you from point A to point B, and it's going to be safe. But in fact, we would probably prefer any other technology out there if it existed. But when it comes to ourselves, the way we look, the way we feel, then we are highly sensitive about the person who is delivering the service. We care a lot about the person who will be messing up our hair. Women care about the beautician who will be designing their eyebrows. And we all care about the person who will be giving us a massage. In those kind of services, which are highly sensitive for us, we are willing to work really hard in order to find the best service providers out there. We will ask people on Facebook, we will check them on Google, we'll check their reviews, we'll do whatever it takes in order to select the right ones. And if it goes well, we will want to keep them forever, because we all know how hard it is to find good service providers. It takes time, and busy people don't have that time, and this is exactly where Missbeez gets into the picture. Missbeez is a marketplace for lifestyle services on demand that focuses on the who. Our mission is to make it easy for busy people like yourself to consume all sorts of lifestyle services easily. Beauty, wellness, fitness, and other verticals. We are talking about tens and even hundreds of different services, different treatments that are all performed by professionals. They all require a face-to-face meeting, and they're all highly personal, which means that they are sensitive for us. Taking the beauty market only as an example, $60 average transaction rate performed once a month. We are talking about a market size of $400 billion a year, not a small one. So with my partner, co-founder, and CEO, Maya Gura, who has a record of 2 successful startups already, PickScout, who were acquired by Getty Images, and the Gifts Project, acquired by eBay. Together, we've created Missbeez, a beautiful mobile application that allows our customers, mainly women, but not only women, to consume those lifestyle services to their homes and office. There's no driving, there's no looking for parking, there's no waiting in line. All you need to do is click the magic button, and Missbeez will find the best service provider that fits your needs. And it's working 24/7, including late nights and weekends, exactly when all the alternatives are closed. So we started with Missbeez as a pilot in Tel Aviv. It was supposed to be a small pilot of a few months, but as you can see, it grew nicely, and we believe that we've reached good KPIs. Some of them I would like to present. 20% conversion rate from downloads to payers. Someone earlier mentioned the benchmark of 3%. In our case, it's 20%. $61 average transaction, and a lifetime value of $120. Just before 2017, we started operating in London as well. And as you can see, towards the end of the year, we grew successfully. And overall, in 2017, it was a 400% growth, reaching a higher number than the average market transaction with $70 per average deal size. Today, we operate in 40 cities in Israel and 200 different postcodes in London. And in 2017, we generated $1.4 million revenue. 2018 already started. We already launched Manchester in the UK, and just about to kick off Spain, starting with Madrid. And we are aiming to get to $4 million revenue in 2018. But we are not just growing in terms of new territories and new cities. We are also adding more and more verticals into our powerful platform. Just around the corner, Missbeez Fitness will allow all of our customers to actually order personal training into their homes or offices or downstairs. And this is just around the corner, being launched in April 2018. So let's talk a little bit about the technology. Like most marketplaces, we need to optimize the entire system based on location, availability, and time. Those are the basics. But since we are talking about a highly sensitive kind of services, we are also using AI and machine learning to analyze and predict the behavior of our customers. We need that in order to be able to predict the demand level and be able to balance the demand across the day. We also use this information to predict the satisfaction rates and the success rate of each and every service we perform based on the behavior graphs of our customers. This is a very important part of our platform. We also measure subjective preferences and trends like the required brands, the colors that are popular, and all of those things that will eventually help us perform better in the marketplace. The result is thousands of positive reviews already submitted through the marketplace by happy customers. And it can also be seen when we analyze the retention rate. As you can see, we keep a very stable line across 16 months in this example. But what's more interesting is that when we measure the retention with the revenue, we actually see an increase of the revenue, which means that after 16 months, those cohorts are actually producing more money than they did in the first month that they were born. This is quite unique retention rate chart. So we talked about the customers, we talked a little bit about the technology. Let's talk about the service providers. For them, Missbeez is actually an endless place to look for endless number of customers. All they need to do is pick the ones that they want to serve. They do not commit on specific hours. It's very flexible for them as well. And we help them optimize their calendar. And this is very important because before Missbeez, many of them are actually using paper-based calendar. And when we come, we change that completely. We help them make changes and optimize the calendar in a way that instead of having something like this, with, as you can see, a lot of idle time, a lot of waste, we actually turn their calendar into something like this, much more efficient, and they can actually do more jobs in less hours and make more money. We also help them promote their business by small marketing capsules that are part of our platform. It's very safe for them to use, they cannot do any mistake, and they can still promote their business. Exactly on time. And we help them maintain the relation with their customers. As I mentioned earlier, customers want to keep up working with the same service providers, and we help them do that through the platform itself. 1,000 professionals joined Missbeez since we started 2.5 years ago, and most of them didn't know how to plan their business, how to set their goals, because they are not finance people. We help them do that. We help them onboard successfully, set their goals, keep track of those goals with the achievement system that we've built specifically for them using gamification techniques, and it's actually like acting as a virtual coach inside their app. As a result, 400 service providers already doubled their income, and some of them even tripled it. That's a massive impact that we have on the service providers, and as we grow further, we want to increase this impact on our service providers. So with fitness just around the corner and new verticals and new territories, we would like to get your assistance and support in this amazing journey. Thank you.
Thank you. Very good.